Hi there, I'm Leah Segi, and I'd like to give you an updated version of the BodyTalk Cortices technique. BodyTalk is energy medicine, it's based on consciousness, and by doing a simple tapping technique to balance the right and left hemispheres of the brain, you can do so much for healing throughout your body. As we know, the nerve cells are not limited to the brain that we think of. The brain is up here in our heads. We also have many nerve cells in our heart, and we have many nerve cells in our gut. This video is not showing my gut, which I have, but below your navel, your gut has 100 million nerve cells. All of these constitute your nervous system. So to regulate your nervous system, to relax your nervous system, your brain needs to be balanced. The right and left hemispheres both have to be online. Not overactive, not underactive, but both parts, right and left, need to be communicating with each other. So this technique will help. It can help throughout your body because nerve cells are running throughout your body. And when you tap your brain, the underlying theory is that your brain is reflecting anything that is not functioning well in your body. When you tap out this with the Cortices technique, you will find that your innate healing capacity is enhanced. So let me demonstrate the technique. It's very simple, but it is something that you have to do with concentration and with slowing down your breath, creating an exaggerated breath. So we're going to be touching all the lobes of the brain in your head and then tapping on the top of your brain, which is basically saying, fix whatever's going on in my system that's off, and tapping at your heart and saying, store this new balance, and tapping at your gut so that you get it at a gut level as well. Okay, let's begin. Take a hand with your fingers together and put it right above your neck. That's the occipital lobe. And then take your other hand, spread so that you're getting both right and left, and take a nice deep breath. And as you breathe, think of balancing the right and left hemispheres of the brain. And then tapping with a nice exaggerated breath at your heart complex. And then bringing your hand down below your navel, tapping at your gut. And the microbiome of your gut has so much to do with all kinds of issues, brain fog, etc. So when your nervous system is relaxed, all of you functions much better. You don't have to tap hard, you just tap lightly, and you're creating a wave function that is stimulating the nerve cells in your body. So then you take your hand from the occipital and you raise to the next level, which is the parietal lobe of the brain. And again, nice breath in and out. Tapping at your heart, in and out with your breath. And then at your gut, in and out. Letting your nerve cells restore to the healthy functioning. And then you move your hand up to the next lobe. You're going into the somatic motor area. Breathing, tapping. Move your hand up again. You could tap over your hand. Energy goes through. So basically you're going to cover your entire head. Depending on the size of your hand and the size of your head, that could be 4 or 5 or 6 different passes. And then take your hands, put them over your temporal lobes, and then you're going to pick up one hand, but you're still thinking right and left are being balanced so they can communicate. at your heart and at your below your navel, at your gut. Again, just for good measure, breathing in, letting the communication between the two hemispheres get activated so that the communication is improved, that there is a greater balance between the right and left, and that all the functions of the whole body, the whole brain, which is throughout your body, can be improved wherever there has been any kind of dysfunction. I hope you enjoyed this. There are other self-soothing tools to regulate your nervous system available on my website, leahseggy.com /video tools under Lowdown from Leah. So enjoy and give yourself a challenge. If you do this for 21 days, you might notice that many different areas of not doing so well will improve in a 21-day challenge of doing cortices every single day. Good luck. Bye.